Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change nickname on LivU. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your LivU application. Tap on profile icon on the bottom left corner. Tap on your profile photo. Now simply tap on your current nickname. Enter a new nickname. Tap on save. And that is how you can simply change nickname on LivU. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.